In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage shared drives efficiently using Google Drive. Shared drives are an integral part of collaborating and managing projects, and knowing how to navigate them can significantly enhance your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google by typing Google Drive into the search bar and hitting Enter. Google Drive is an essential tool in the suite of Google applications, designed to make document storage and sharing seamless. Once your search results appear, simply click on the link for Google Drive. After clicking the link, you might be prompted to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to select your desired account and input your credentials if needed. This quick step ensures that only authorized users can access the drives and files. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of Google Drive. From the left-hand side menu, locate and click on Shared with Me. This section is where all files and folders that have been shared with you by others are conveniently stored, making it easy to keep track of collaborative efforts. Now that you're in the Shared with Me section, you can begin organizing these files according to your preferences. One effective way to manage your files is by sorting them based on their type. Whether you're looking for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or images, this can help you quickly locate what you need without much hassle. Another useful way to sort through your shared files is by the people who have shared them with you. This can be especially helpful when working on multiple projects with various colleagues. Knowing who shared what can keep you organized and ensure that you are engaging with the right materials for your work. Moreover, sorting your files by the date they were last modified can be incredibly insightful. This feature allows you to track the most recent changes and updates, ensuring you always have the latest version of a document at your fingertips, which is crucial for ongoing projects. Finally, there's an option to organize files by their source. This is particularly beneficial if you are collaborating with external partners or using files originating from different organizations. This minor tweak can vastly improve your ability to keep everything streamlined and easily accessible. Managing your shared drives in Google Drive doesn't need to be daunting. By leveraging these sorting options, you can enhance your productivity and streamline collaboration effortlessly. With everyone on the same digital page, your projects will run smoother and more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!